Guy Kawasaki said showing weakness is a sign of strength. By weakness, I think he means vulnerability. You may have heard the term psychological safety. In my books, Leadership Lessons from Silicon Valley, I talk about psychological safety. One of the 7 elements of psychological safety is vulnerability. And psychological safety was shown by research done by Google to be the most important part of creating an effective team. So when people feel safe in their environment, they feel safe to say, I don't know how to do this. It creates a shift in the team, and they're much more effective. So if you're willing to show some vulnerability, they're just saying things like, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Let me find out. That it's okay for you to say, I don't know. Let me find out. If you just say, I don't know, then it sounds like you don't care. You could say, I don't know. Would you be willing to research that? You could put it on them. You don't have to take everything yourself, but just not pretending that you know everything, because none of us know everything. I need more information. So if there's something that they want you to make a decision on and you don't know how to advise them, then just say, I need more information. You could take it on, or you could say, could you find out X, Y, and Z for me and report back? Empowering them to help make the decision. I now have another perspective. So let's say you went along one line and now you want them to do something different than you decided in the past. You can say to them, I know I told you A, and now I have more information, I have a new perspective, we have a new policy, whatever it is, now we need to go to B. And it's not saying that you're flip-flopping, it's that you're making a new, better informed decision.